Yo, what's up everyone? It's me, Bixels, back with another scripting tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a coffee machine and how to add recipes or make your own recipes using this coffee machine method. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is create a coffee machine. So I'm just going to make a really simple coffee machine. Boom. There's our coffee machine. We'll just group that together, put it into a model. We'll name this coffee machine. And then we will anchor it. So now our coffee machine is anchored. You guys can develop your own coffee machine however you want, but this is how I'm going to do it. Super simple. Next thing you want to do is the same thing that we did in our first scripting tutorial, is put the block inside. And shape it around, all the way around, just like that. If you haven't seen my first scripting tutorial, watch that one. It tells you basic stuff about variables and stuff like that. So if you don't understand variables, then I would watch that video first. This one will go a little bit into variables, but not too much. If you guys want me to create an entire basic scripting for Lua video, then tell me in the comments below. So the next thing we want to do is grab your part, anchor it, go to the very bottom, and check can collide off. Alright, the next thing you want to do is name this part touch, or let's do hitbox. Put that inside your coffee machine, and that will be your hitbox. Next thing you want to do, right click, go to insert object, and insert a script. There we go. So now we want to figure out what the part is. So hitbox equals script.parent. If you don't understand what I just did there, go watch my first tutorial, but local hitbox is equal to the script's parent. So anything that the script is inside, that's the parent. If the script is inside the coffee machine, then the parent would be the coffee machine. But since it's inside the hitbox, now it's the hitbox that's the parent. See? Makes sense. So next, we're going to do hitbox.touch::connect function. So that's our function. In here, you want to put in what has been touched. So we'll put T. So T is the object that has touched our hitbox. Okay? Next thing, we want to create an if-then statement. So we'll do that. If-then, we have to figure out what will go here. What is going to go here? What are we asking? What are we asking the script to do? If then. If what, then we'll do something else. So if H is what has touched it, H dot parent dot name equals cup. Okay? Oh, wait, not H, T, because T is the parameter we put. So, what does this mean? So, if we go into our tutorial place and we create a tool, if we create this tool and we name this cup, we put this into the starter pack. Make sure to raise it up into the air so it's not anchored to the ground. So starter pack, make sure that it has can collide off and anchor is off. So cup is H's parent, or T is T's parent. So T will be whatever touched it. So if we put 4 handles in here, if this handle touches this part, then handle is T. What is handle's parent? Cup. See? It's super easy. So T.parent, that is an instance. So we can't really ask for the instance, or it's not very good to do that for something like this. So you don't want to do an instance. You want to do T.parent.name. So it was T, which is handle, parent, which is cup, and then the name of the parent, which is cup. So if T.parent.name is cup, then T.parent.name equals coffee. Just like that. So now we are turning the T parent name into coffee. We are setting this to coffee. That's all we're doing. So let's try this out. Make sure everything is anchored, and we will add a spawn. And let's spawn on in and see if this works. Okay, we're in the game. We touch it with the cup, and now it says talk. There you go. If you touch it with your body, it could create errors, but for some reason it's not creating any for me. But there you go. Now, the name of this part is coffee. Really great. So, now that we have the coffee script created, it's time to create our cup. So, we're going to keep our cup tool here, and we're going to take the handle out and just delete the handle. Now, we want to create this cylinder and just create a coffee cup. So, I'm not going to go too in-depth in how to make this coffee cup. So, I'm just going to duplicate, click on the part. I'm going to do Control D to duplicate it. Hold Shift and grab this, red, size it down a little. Let go of Shift, pull this out, negate, and then union these two objects. Let's duplicate that, negate, union both of these objects, and now we have our coffee cup right there. So we are going to name this handle, and we are going to get this right here. Gonna just make it cocoa color. We're going to name this part liquid. So there is your coffee cup. You want to make liquids transparency. Keep it that. Want to grab the liquid and the handle, put them inside the cup. Now, go into the description and download the Tool Grip Editor plugin. We're gonna set that right here. Edit Tool Grip. And we are going to edit this grip. Okay, there we go. It's a very big coffee cup. So, now that we've done that, we want to go into our toolbox to the second thing that is in the description. And you want to go to search and search up weld. In My Models, get Perfection Weld, which is what you just downloaded, and put that inside of your cup. After everything is done, you want to put the cup into the starter pack. Click play. And there we go. Here is our coffee cup. Very nice. Now what we need to do is go into the cup, click on liquid, and set the transparency to 1. Now we want to go back into our original script right here. We want to go to t.parent :: find first child, or, well, wait for, no, yeah, find first child, liquid, dot transparency equals 0. So let's see what we created. There we go. See, you touch the coffee cup, it puts the liquid in here, and it names it coffee. See, there you go. And that's how you make a simple coffee machine and a cup with liquid in it. So the next part you're probably wondering is, how do I make recipes? So next thing you want to do is go to Hitbox, change that to 1, and this is your coffee machine, right? So now we can edit the script a little bit more. Let's create 2 more variables. We have the local current name and then the local new name. So the current name equals cup, and then the new name equals coffee. So now that we have both of these variables saying what these are, we can change this to current name, and then we want to change it to new name. It's the same script we just had, except we have them in variables up here. See? Super awesome. Next thing you want to do is Control D and move your new coffee machine over. Go inside of the hitbox, and now what you want to do is go to new name, copy that, paste that into current name, and change the new name to something else. So let's say iced coffee. Let's say that this right here is an ice machine. So we'll name this ice machine. So now our current name is coffee and our new name is iced coffee. So let's see how this works out. Come over here, we get our coffee, see, it works, and then we get our ice. Now it's an iced coffee. See? It's very cool. So what I forgot to do is make the liquid where can collide is off. So make sure that liquids can collide is off so that you don't run into walls with your coffee. So yeah, that is how you create a coffee machine with recipes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.